My dear brothers and sisters of India, I am K.C. Dharia, speaking from the village Makodi, district Shajapur, Madhya Pradesh. I am making this video for all brothers and sisters of India. I want to convey a message, a very strong message for all our brothers and sisters of India. You can see, if we work hard, everything is possible. And it is well said that nothing succeeds like success. And success comes only to those who work hard. My point is, how can we make India great? India can be made great by having hard-working people, hard-working students, hard-working families, hard-working government, and hard-working all population of India. Today, I am very sorry to tell you that India is deeply divided between rich and the poor. The poor are becoming poorer and the rich are becoming richer. So it is our responsibility and responsibility of all families, responsibilities of the government, that all children of India should get appropriate quality education. If children do not get rightful opportunities, we cannot progress. How can India compete with other developed countries if our children are deprived of scientific temperament and scientific education? What is we are observing today is very crystal clear fact that most of the students do not get appropriate opportunity to study. Their family environment is absolutely disturbed. Parents are struggling for bread and butter. Many people do not get appropriate fund to send their children to quality education. The private schools and institutions are raising their tuition fees so high that the poor and the middle class families cannot afford. Still, all people of India want to get their children educated in English medium schools. But the travesty of the justice is very simple, that only the children of the rich are getting quality education, while the children of the middle class, children of the poor do not get appropriate opportunity to study. So it is my conviction, it is my prayer to our government, our society, our state governments, that they should send their children to government schools, but they should also demand that government should provide well qualified teachers to teach. Government should provide appropriate laboratories to conduct scientific tests, and government should do its level best to provide all opportunities, real opportunities to all students, so that they can get scientific temperament, so that they can get quality education, so that they become suitable citizen of Mother India. We cannot feel proud of Mother India if some of the children are deprived of their basic education and some of the children are given golden opportunities to do their level best. It's very unfortunate to see the fact that the most of the children who get in foreign countries do not come back and serve our country. India needs good doctors, excellent engineers, excellent businessmen to do their work in India. We can make India great by making the people of villages great. We cannot make India great by depriving half of the population without education. If we see the situation of all government schools, we find that no child is getting quality education. Hardly students studying in government schools get first class marks. After getting 2-3 times in board examination, children fail and they become dropout. Large number of students become dropouts in our country. and they are becoming burden on our society, on their family, on government. So will the government pay its kind attention to provide quality education to all its children so that India can become great once again? This is what I wanted to say.